prawns is coming in.
What is that?
Why is the quesadilla so big?
What is this?
Chicken taco.
That's chicken.
So big, bro. How do you eat
No, bro. What is it?
And so hard also. How you eat? How you eat? We should have cheese.
See, this is falling, right?
Very good, Avisha is eating.
Bibo City for birthday celebrant. Avisha Akarsha birthday celebrant. Today is July 2nd. We come and eat here. Oh, this one, happy hour Monday. Chimichaga. Over here, Chimichaga. There's a place here. I thought it's outside. Wow, it's nice. Ah, the ferry there outside. The view outside is so nice. The ferry is off. Bye ferry. Akarshap, say bye to ferry. Oh, the ferry is off. The ferry is going. Other side is Universal Studio. Is wet? Oh wow! Angie, this one is very nice also. I don't know why. That one I think very nice also.
I like this.
This one no. Don't have paper? Saroko. What is this, Avisha? This is a tomato. You want? Then you take video.
मेरा तो नाही रे कालच मी सकाळीच म्हटलं होतं ऑलरेडी बुक झालं केलं तुला पण म्हणे तुम्ही ब्रेकफास्ट द्या तर नेहमीच करतो आपण आता ते नाही करायचं
Avisha, Arsha. Arsha. Popcorn chicken.
Yeah, more on defense, but they will work for example. Excellent. For example, if there are minimum 5 people, but maybe there are similar roles like Avisha and then how does that happen? How do you take one role, right? Like defend or people who doing only basket, right?
Yeah, the one is people can try.
That's all I guess. Thanks a lot for your support. If straight and let's see correct. So he's not only guy who takes
The cable car is still moving.
I know the other one.
Cable car is still moving. Disha, the cable car is coming back again. Ay, Akarsha. Yan lang yung may ilaw na cable car. Buti na lang hindi umulan ngayon. That's the view. See the LRT hanggang Sentosa.
Different बना दी थी.
That's the yun yung
Normal matches मध्ये पण क्लास दाखवते.
yan yung castle. That's the castle. That's the Universal Studio.
पण सेदारला टफ लोक चांगली लोक येणार
Cable car. Oh, meron na naman. Ay, hindi lang pala siya iisa. Meron.
आणि आम्ही तर डोक्यात येतो सोशल एज्युकेशन आपल्याला इक्वली दोघांना तेवढीच मेहनत करायची.
Guys, happy birthday, Akarsha. Abisha is went with Dada. See, we are walking here. Mama is there eating. She's still eating over there. And then me and Abisha, Akarsha is walking. Mama is still walking. We're walking around Bibu City. The food is nice? Yeah. Nice. What is the food? Mexican food. That's our dinner today. Because Akarsha and Abisha birthday. It's 2nd July. Yes. We're walking around here at Bibu City. As you can see, the other side is Universal Studio. And this is a pier. This is what? Cable car. No, this one boat going somewhere. This is harbor. Yeah. Yes. A lot of people. Oh wow! I see that one. Go and see this one, Akarsha. The flower. Yay! See, have a round flower here. Oh, wow! Like a tree. 3 flowers. Oh, may dumating na boat. Huh? Look what?
That white flower looks like Dandam is joking.
Oh, seems very nice. Oh. Actually, we are here at Bibu City. This is the entrance. It's already closed. Cannot come in. Yan guys. Ang outfit check. Akarsha check. Nakadress ang ate. Nakadress ang auntie. Yan. We're going now. Go back. Reverse. Sabi na to reverse. Now, balik kami doon. Nabusog ako. Masarap yung chicken at saka yung chicken, what is that? Chicken nuggets o to?
Chicken nugget.
chicken nuggets nila. Pero, no.
Oh, chicken lollipop.
Yes.
No, chicken popcorn.
Chicken popcorn. And the Doritos, the chips can dip in the nachos, can dip in the sauce. But the rest, oh, terrible. So much sauce in that. What? You eat the chicken? What you eat? Chicken what?
Chicken quesadillas.
Quesadilla.
And taco.
And also chicken taco and avocado. What's that? Avocado?
Oh, guacamole, I think.
Abisha is here. Abisha Kamba. Hi Abisha, happy birthday. Mas close kasi sa akin yung isa. Pero itong isa, inayos niya yung buhok ko kanina. That's Abisha. Abisha, suka. Abisha ka! Uy, akar siya! Abisha there is going there. Going up already. Oh, it's here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting Joyce Vargas vlog always. Bye guys. Take a video in Singapore. Please like, subscribe,
And hit the
share. Yes. Hit the notification. Up there, down there. Then
subscribe.
Thank you guys. Happy birthday. You pull down there.
Like a Hellcat.